basilingeke baqetshukela bafuna uhulumende angenelele. Abomma ababatha amaphandle asenarheni lengongemthetho ngiyo ababangela imraro yeke kufuza abuyiselwe emakhabo. Baveze nokuthi kuba yini bathethe isiqundo sokuba incenye Operation Dudula eMnyangweni weZokuvikela.
We're demanding a mass deportation of illegal immigrants, and we're demanding that they deploy more of the army in the locations and, into also the cities around in South Africa, as well as they need to deal with the corrupt guys that are working at the border gates, because they are the ones that are letting these illegal immigrants get into our country.
Jame yonke into endleleni zePitori abomma nabamatjhela bekhona nezehlakalo zokuthusela lapha abamatshi bathomene khona nabathengisi bendleleni abamaphandle. Nanyana kunjalo amaphapha agcine ehlile nepahla abathengisi bendleleni yaphepha hlangana nokhunye Operation Dudula ekufunako ukuthi uMnyango weZokuvikela ubuyisele emakhaba amaphandle lapha ekhethu ngokungemthetho.
This is motivated by the incident of Krugersdorp, but most of these criminal activities that are happening are actually it's more of women that are affected by these crimes.
uNgqongqotjhe weZokuvikela Modise akangakhona ukwamukela incwadi yenililo ngombani useRussia. I-Operation Dudula ithi lindele impendulo malungana nemfuno zayo ngakaphela amalanga alikhomba.